was born in 1950. He's a smart, boomer, fabulous, police, white. The right answer is boomer. Okay? Amy was born in 1979. She's a smart, Generation X, fabulous, pastor. Amy was born in 1979. She's a smart, Generation X, fabulous, pastor. Generation X. Okay? Wendy was born in 1960. She's a smart, boomer, fabulous, social worker. The correct answer is what? Boomer. Kina Mvubu was born in 1988. He's a smart, Bangi. We have what? United States of America, Generation Y. What's the correct answer there? Or you can stay, if you can say States or USA, it's okay. Generation Y, millennial. Okay? Take a look. Take a look. We're gonna fix that. Okay? There's a mistake there. Take a look. Okay? Karin was born in 2007. She's a smart, Bangi. Take a look. Take a look. Here we can put, let's see, Africa. Okay? Karin was born in 2007. She's a smart, Bangi, Africa, Generation Z. What the correct answer there? Aha! One more time. Karin was born in 2007. She's a take a look. Think. She's a Generation Z. Okay?